Hi everyone, welcome back to my craft room. If you're new to my craft room, then welcome. Today I'm doing a video on these Dollar Tree watercolor pencils. I've never seen them in the 12 pack before. Some people said they have, but this is the first time I found them. They used to come like in a pack of like 4 maybe or something like that. But this is like a 12 count. And you get all these pretty colors here. Let me show you all of these. These are all the pretty colors. Yeah, and it also comes with a little brush so you can paint with your water. A lot of people have asked me to show this because they had no idea what these were for, and as of a few years ago, neither did I. And the other good thing to have is one of these high polymer erasers, the nice white ones. Sometimes you can find them just on like a regular pencil or these little retractable pencils and things. They have that nice little white eraser because, you know, you can erase if you get somewhere you don't want it before you know, once you put the water on it, then you can't erase it so much. But so I figured we'll just play around with them and I'll show you guys how they work if you don't know. So I have a little teeny weeny tray of water because you don't need a lot of water at all. Then I have a paper towel because I usually just dip it in the water, wipe most of it off. But my pad here is sticking up in the air. So yeah, so let's just grab some of these colors here. And you don't want to color really hard, you know, to make really hard lines or anything. I like to do it, ooh, this one's really sharp, kind of in like a circular motion, just so you're not making these real hard lines. So let's just color a few of these in here. And I found that some of these worked really well and some of them not so much, but that's the color of this one here. It's kind of like a reddish brown, honestly, but we'll just color a little bit of that on there. I have the yellow here that I already did. Let's grab some orange because we're going to be using that in the one stamp down here. I won't do all of these, but I just want to give you the idea. So I just color some of that on there, and it, you know, you can definitely tell that it's a colored pencil. And then let's see, where's another good one here? Let's try the red. I'm not putting hardly any pressure on here whatsoever. If you want to make it real dark, then you can just keep going over it. But I don't like to put a lot of pressure because it makes those deep lines. What else we got here? We got some purple. Let's just color a few of these here. This one colors real well for not putting any pressure on it hardly. Alright, so there's our purple. Let's try a little bit of the blue. Alright, let's do one more because this just gives you the basic idea. Let's try pink. I'm just making really teeny weeny round circles here to get some of this color on here. Alright, so that's what we have so far. Just looks like any other thing that you would color with a colored pencil. Let me get these guys back over here. So then you're going to take your brush, and I just dip it in my water here, and then I get most of it off. And then you're just going to go on here and just, I do it in circles too. Like, see the real dark spot that I did is not blending in very well. And then let's go to the orange. And you'll just see the difference in the whole look of everything, especially with this orange one. Now that I've painted over it, it definitely just looks more like you did it with watercolor. This one, not as much. All right, let's try the purple. Here, let's hold this up here and see if we can do this. But see how when you color on there, it turns it into, you know, like you would dip it into watercolor paint. They're still working on a road out here. If you hear a bunch of beeps in the background, that's what that is. But see that it turns it into more of a watercolor. Let's see how the red does here. Oh, that comes out nice. Yeah, some of them, and you could spread it out more if you wanted to make it, you know, like a fainter color on the edges, whatever you're doing. But, yeah, these are great to color. I'm going to color in part of this little guy here to show you with my stamps, and also I want to show, you know, how I do the stamps, because a lot of people have asked me, you know, that don't know, that's never used the rubber stamps before, the clear stamps. Oh yeah, that blue works really well too. The brown, That one didn't come out as nice. And what was this? Oh, this was the pink. Yeah, see that blends in real nice too. So you know what, these are not bad. I mean, I don't see too much difference in these watercolor pencils or ones that I picked up on Amazon or whatever. But yeah, that is how you pretty much use those watercolors. It's really easy and it's fun. I mean, you can like mix them up a little bit. You can blend them in with other colors. It's just fun. So I love this little guy, this little stamp. I absolutely love this. I got this on Temu a long time ago. I'll show you that. I don't know if they still have it or not, but here is the, where's the number? Here's the number if you want to freeze the video there and get the number if anybody wants to look that up on Temu. That's where I got this one from. It was $1.29, and this is what it looks like when it's all done. Look how stinking cute that little duck is in the little pond. All right, so for anybody who's never done this before, you're going to need one of these acrylic blocks. They have them in all different sizes. You can get these at Michael's. Sometimes you can find one like this size at Dollar Tree. Haven't seen them in a while actually, but they're just square. I believe I ordered these off Amazon a long time ago. But you're going to take your stamp, and when your stamp is new, you really want to take like a paper towel or something and just rub over the edges of it, because it just, whoops, I knocked my butterfly right off of there. It just seems like there's like a coating or something on there, and it doesn't stamp real well. But if you just kind of just rub it off, half the time I just take it and rub it off on my pants or my shirt or whatever, just to get that film or whatever it is that's on there. So then you take your cute little stamp here, just a little rubber thing, you stick it right on you. I could use the bigger one. That fits right on your acrylic block like that. They stick just by themselves there. What did I do with, am I losing my marbles? Wouldn't be surprised. My ink pad. Oh. It's over there by my cards. I'm going to use the archival ink. It's the Ranger. I think I got this, pretty sure I ordered this on Amazon too. I've had this a long time. Most of the stuff I've had such a long time that I don't remember exactly where I got them all from. But I like this ink a lot. It works really well. Use it all the time. Let me move these out of my way here just for a second. So you're going to open up your ink pad here. And then I always like to have these little baby wipes I always buy at Dollar Tree. Have this handy because after I'm done stamping, I just wipe off my stamp and put it away. All right, so we're just going to take this cutie little guy here. We're going to stick it on our ink pad. I always move it around. Something just fell down. Move it around a couple times. And then I use one of these little pieces of foam. Little foam sheets. I don't know where this came from. Or I have a mouse pad too that I use, but it's nice to have a little cushion under there. It prints just so much better when you have just something underneath it. All right, so now we're going to take our little block that's all inked up, and we are just going to set him down there, give him a little push, and voila. Look how darn cute that is. And then I just take my little wipe here, wipe it off, and stick it back on my little thing here so I don't lose it. And then we're just going to take the butterfly, we're going to stick that right on our block here, ink that up, and let's see, did I leave enough room? Yes, I did. We're just going to put him right there, and there you go, you have your, and I got ink on my thing here, but that's okay. You got your butterfly. So that's how you use these rubber stamps. It's so fun. It's so easy. Cleanup is like nothing. And sometimes I mix them up and use different ones, you know, from different sheets. I think the other card that I did, I have so, look how darn cute these guys are. I don't know if you can see them. These are so cute. I got these on Temu too. Long time ago. Oh, this one. These little bunnies too, they're really cute. Let's see which way. There we go. You can see a little bit better. These little bunnies. But they have some little grass, pieces of grass on this one. And so his little pond here isn't finished. So I just took a little Sharpie and I just kind of went around. So it made like the The pond went all the way around. You have a couple more little swirls in there. There we go. So now it's like his little pond is finished, complete circle. But you know, whatever you want to do. These are just so cute, and there's so many stamps. Oh my goodness, if you go on Temu and look up their stamps, and they're very inexpensive. Oops, I just took this off of there. Oh, let me put this little grass piece on this one. But they're really inexpensive, like I was saying, and they work great. All right, so we're gonna put some grass with flowers on the side of this pond here, and maybe over here. I didn't leave a lot of room because I want to cut this out. If I color it in, I will just cut it out, you know, just kind of fuzzy cut it around there. And then you can use these on cards, whatever you want to use them for. But I just mainly wanted to do this to show you guys how I use these. And where did I put the one where this came off of? There it is. All right, let me stick that back down. All right, so that's all cleaned up. And see, they even have these little bitty ones. All right, let me put my acrylic blocks over here. There. They're just so easy to clean off. But anyway, yeah, that's how I use them. Fun. I mean, you can just mix and match them and make all kinds of cute little cards and things. So now we're just going to take some of this yellow here, and we're going to color in. Now let's do this little guy down here. I'm just going to color and go around circles real quick. Whoops. That wood's not off the other side. Just making my little circles all the way around here. Color them in. And you can make such a cute card in like no time at all. But we're just going to color in the duck. We're not going to do the whole thing because it's all done the same way. Just little circles. Color. It goes pretty fast if you're pretty confident not going out of the lines. I'm not, but I'm just trying to do it a little fast for time's sake here. But yeah, we're just going to keep going around. Alright, pretty much ducky's done. And then we're going to take some of the orange. Why does my sleeve keep getting caught on my poster board here? Alright, so we're going to take some of this orange for his little beak. And my birds are getting loud out there. They're still working on this road out here. And it's driving my birds crazy and everything else. These people walking around with their fluorescent jackets and things on. I don't know if they're ever going to be done with this road. They've been digging it up and doing different pipes and things for like a year now. Alright, so there we have that. And now we're just going to take our water and just blend all this in. Real quick and easy. And it even looks a little bit darker when it's all wet here and coloring in. You're mixing your color really well, so any spot that you happen to miss while you're going around in your little circles like I was, or here I missed a spot, you can pretty much blend it in here with the water. Alright, so there you go. That part's done. I mean, if you really take your time, I'm doing this really fast, so whoops, too much water. Because you don't want to put too much water, because if you get it really sopping wet like I just did, it tends to like remove some of the color, and you don't want to do that. So we're just gonna finish this guy up here real quick. And then you can just switch between your colors, trying to blend that in a little more there. Let's see, then we can go up to his little beak. There you go. And then it's all blended in nicely. So you really don't see the lines anymore, and it looks like you just, I mean, you can just do watercolors if you want. I'm not that confident, so it's nice to be able to like color it in, and if you happen to go out the line a little bit, you just take that eraser and wipe it off before you, put your water on it. I just put orange on them. That's what I get for not paying attention. Yeah, I will blend him in there. Look, you can't even tell I made a boo-boo. But that's it. And then you can color your flowers, your butterfly, whatever you know you're doing, and then just use your water. And this pink did not really blend in as well as I thought it was. Wonder if I can get it to do any more here. No. I can really see some of those lines on this one. But all in all, $1.25 for these watercolors. Can't go wrong. I think they work pretty darn good. Almost as good as the name brand ones. And I got a whole bunch of these little guys over here I stamped out that I got from Temu Stamps a long time ago, so don't ask me. I don't know if they still have them. But yeah. So all I'm going to do with these little guys is, well, not over here because I just colored that in, but I'm probably not going to use this guy again. I'm going to just color some of these in, and then I will just go around and cut these out and add them to a card. Here's the one card that I made using the little duck. I just went lightly up here with some blue and some yellow for the sky, and then I did, you know, that pretty green for the grass, and then I used those other little stamps again here. And then I just put a hello, so you don't have to use it for Easter. You could use it for any time. And this one I did for Easter. This one I did with like a Easter paper on the background. And then I just colored the little bunny in and the Easter greetings at the top. And that's pretty much it. So yeah, this one we're not going to look at because this one I messed up really bad. So we're not going to look at that one because that one's going to get torn apart there, I think. But I love this. I love these little stamps. And like I said, you can just add all kinds of little things and make them all your own. You don't have to use one stamp. You just mix them up. But anyway, that's it. I just wanted to show you guys. I know a lot of people ask me how to use them or what I thought of them, and there you go. They're not bad. But thanks so much for watching, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys all next time. Have a great day, everyone.